The alternating rocking lat pulldown is a variation of the traditional lat pulldown that I learned from Jeff Cavaliere. In addition to shoulder adduction, this variation also adds more of an extension at the end of the pull. I also like it as it feels like you can independently isolate each side. To get started, sit down at a lat pull-down machine with your knees just underneath the pads. Then extend your arms into the air to grab the attached bar with the palms facing forward grip that is just outside shoulder width. Keeping your core tight, chest up, contract your lat muscles and pull the bar down like a traditional pull down until you reach approximately forehead height. Stop, then immediately drive one elbow down behind your body as you slightly tilt your body to that side. The other arm remains bent while feeling a good contraction. Feel a good squeeze at the bottom of the lift, then under control, reverse the movement back to the starting position with your arms fully extended and lats fully stretched. Repeat with the opposite arm. Continue to repeat sides for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.